Johnny Depp, Narcissist or Empath? Hello, I'm H.G. Tudor. If you're watching this video, you probably have been following the trial that has been taking place involving the defamation claims between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. There are many that find the spectacle somewhat unedifying, given the behaviours of the two parties. There are others that find it compelling viewing, wondering what the outcome will be, watching in aghast at the allegations and counter-allegations that have been thrown around, trying to make a determination as to what is to be believed, what is to be dispensed with. There has been extensive coverage of this trial, and opinions fly back and forth, thrown through the air like confetti. Largely, it would appear that Depp is winning in the court of public opinion, being seen as a flawed individual, but the victim of abuse. For Amber Heard, she has not fared so well. Whilst there remain some entrenched supporters of hers, largely people, as a combination of their preference of Depp and having witnessed her behaviours in the stand, continue to form the view that she is both liar, charlatan and abuser. If you have not already done so, you can access a comprehensive set of videos where I've made a determination as to what Amber Heard is. And thereafter, having made that determination, I have taken news footage, trial footage, and reportage to explain why she has behaved in the way that she does, explaining why she's behaved as she has with regard to the issue of the donation, what the jury thinks about her, why there are no tears when she attempts to cry, and, perhaps most compelling of all, after her dog stepped on a bee, why did this cluster bee wear the beer earring? I'd encourage you to access all of that material and to share it widely, as many of you have already been doing so, to dispel the various myths and misunderstandings that are being evidenced by people commenting on the trial who don't understand the nature of the personalities involved. Heard has been placed under the Tudorscope. She has been assessed and analysed on a comprehensive body of evidence. Now it is Johnny Depp's turn. In a detailed analysis of his behaviours, both past and present, I put Johnny Depp under the Tudorscope to make a determination as to what he is. Is he a narcissist? Or is he an empath? Is it the case that he is playing a very clever role of portraying himself as a victim, managing to keep his cool, managing to keep ignited fury under control as he plays to the crowd, joking, taking the piss out of relatively inept trial lawyers who probably are better suited to operating in a boardroom and an office rather than in a trial, humorous quips, self-effacing humour, but is this all part of a master facade that is being doled out to pull the wool over the eyes of those watching, including the jury? Or is it the case that this is a flawed individual with drug and alcohol problems who is very much a victim of his ex-wife, that he is a victim of domestic abuse and has been inappropriately and unfairly smeared as a perpetrator of domestic abuse himself? Is he a genuine victim? And if so, is his status that of an empath who has been victimized in the traditional fashion by a narcissist? Might he be something else? Might he be a normal who could also be victimized, or indeed a narcissistic individual? Both can be victims of a narcissist. Is this a situation of narcissists collide, where Depp and Heard have sought to assert control over one another, jockeying for position, fighting against one another, the volatile nature of their relationship providing them with plenty of fuel, and one Although the divorce was many years ago, the need to assert control continues to this day through comments in the op-ed and 2 court cases. Utilizing my unrivaled expertise and explaining it in a way that is easily understandable so that you can apply it to your own experiences and make sense of those and of the world around you, I, H.G. Tudor, the Ultra, are going to take you through a comprehensive examination of the evidence about Johnny Depp. There'll be material that you've not come across before. There'll be material that's familiar to you. But all in all, this will be a riveting examination as we ask the question, Johnny Depp, narcissist or empath? Part 1 of this compelling series will land later today. Make sure you don't miss it. I'm H.G. Tudor. Thank you for listening.